The objective of this workshop is to gain insights in business design tools and methodology, and further in a co-creation approach with representatives from companies from South Africa and Germany to develop an innovative business model in the energy, environment or climate sector.
What are we aiming for with this entire program is give people the opportunity to experience entrepreneurial doing in action. So not teaching them through PowerPoint presentations, but creating the space for them to get active and to act out as a startup which is trying to create a sustainable business.
This workshop integrates both design thinking and business design. So design thinking being, finding a challenge that you're passionate about and solve it. And then business design would be the process of, thinking about the entrepreneurial tools and methods and the process, which will then enable you to bring it to life.
The business design course has taught us to be systematic. It has taught us to think outside the box.
It's been my first time on a workshop like this, and I'm getting a lot of tools to develop a business.
The training facilitator themselves, they keep us awake by doing creative learning in a more exciting way. Where we work on prototypes, while we're learning new systems designs, business innovation, and entrepreneurial creative skills.
So the topic of day 3 is storytelling. We want the participants to learn how to present, how to pitch their ideas in a very authentic and personal way, to tell their own personal story, to tell their own journey, to make the audience feel what they discovered and what they experienced within the last 2 days.
It's amazing. In my impression, the participants came as strangers and they are leaving as friends.
Absolutely. One great thing that came out of this was just the fact that we could get knowledge exchanges, we could get people to talk about ideas, but most importantly, we could connect.
I would say very innovative.
Splendid.
Freundschaft.
World partnership.
Changing. Axel says Bachkat, which means it's going great. Everything worked perfectly.
#Lifte veranderen. Mind blowing.